Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation the illustrious name of famous Italian Jewish painter and sculptor who mainly worked in France. He is known for his modern style characterized by a surreal elongation of faces, necks and figures that were not very well received during his lifetime, unfortunately. But how do you go about pronouncing his name? In Italian, the true pronunciation would certainly not be Modigliani. You do not want to pronounce the G just like this. The Italians would say it Modigliani. I cannot say that the G is exactly silent. The GL sound in Italian is very specific, but it does sound silent to someone that does not speak Italian. So the closest approximation that you can get in English in pronouncing the name, unless you are a fluent Italian speaker, is to simply ignore the G and say Modigliani, certainly not Modigliani. Modigliani would be the closest approximation. You do want to stress and emphasize on the A, however, Modigliani. In Italian, Modigliani. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the illustrious names of other artists, Italian artists, who you certainly want to hear and nail the pronunciation of once and for all. I'll leave you to it. See you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.